Question number 1. When Mary became pregnant, Mary and Joseph were: option is A. Married, B. Engaged, C. Just friends, D. None of above. Right answer is B. Engaged. Question 2. What sign were the shepherds to look for? Option is A. Star over stable, B. A barn outlined with Christmas lights, C. A baby in a manger, D. Both A and C. The right option is C. Baby in a manger. Question 3. Who directed Mary and Joseph to go to Bethlehem? Option is A. Herod, B. Caesar, C. An angel, D. The IRS. The answer is B. Caesar. Question 4. Joseph's family was originally from. Option is A. Jerusalem, B. Bethlehem, C. Nazareth, D. None of the above. Right answer is Bethlehem. Question 5. For the journey to the Bethlehem, Mary and Joseph. Option is A. Walked, B. Joseph walked and Mary rode a donkey, C. Took a bus, D. The Bible does not say. The right answer is D. Question 6. Who told Joseph to name the baby Jesus? Option is A. Mary, B. The chief priests and scribes, C. An angel of the Lord, D. Herod the king. Right answer is C. An angel of the Lord. Question 7. What did the innkeeper say to Mary and Joseph? Option is A. There's no room in the inn, B. I have stable out back, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The right answer is D. None of the above. Question 8. What animals were present at Jesus' birth? Option is A. Cows, sheep and camel, B. Cows, chickens and donkeys, C. Lions, tigers and bears, D. The Bible does not say. The right answer is D. The Bible does not say. Question 9. How many angels spoke to the shepherd? The option is A. multitude, B. 1, C. 2 Gabriel and Michael, D. Who knows? Right answer is B. 1. Question 10. What sign were the shepherds to look for? Option is A. A star over stable, B. A barn outlined with Christmas lights, C. A baby in a manger, D. Both A and C. The right answer is C. A baby in a manger.